Come on, Grandpa.
This guy's grandpa is going to attempt to drive over this massive crack in a 70-year-old classic Jeep. It has no power steering, no huge tyres, it's not been lifted, there's no modern tech. We're looking at a Jeep that came out just after World War II. Let's watch how he takes on this massive crack. Question is, will he make it?
You're gonna be fine. Straight, wheel straight. You're gonna come on and touch that thing. Just go ahead and touch it. Come on, just come on, come on. Let it come. Okay, you're touching. You're on it. Okay, come on up.
Oh!
Okay, easy now. You need to.
No.
Okay, I think you need to. You need to come my way. You need to come. Well.
Hey. I don't want
Well, yes.
It's a 1948 Willys CJ2A.
I think you need to be straighten your wheels out.
Oh, look how tough it is to turn that wheel. That's insane.
Straight. Well, okay. You got, yeah.
It's actually known as the Golden Crack.
Okay, I can't. You're gonna do that, you gotta come on. But you're gonna, you're like, your tire's like about 4 inches from that wall. But if you, yeah. But if you can't come up, you're gonna start tilting, so.
Can he do it, or is he stuck?
You're on your bumper. You can't. Try it. Come on. Think you. Keep coming. There you go. Oh. Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Okay, you know what to do now.
Front tires out. Will the back tires make it through?
Come on.
Yes, and the power pump at the end. That was awesome. So this Jeep was actually made to replace workhorses back in the 40s. It was marketed to be able to do the work of 2 heavy draft horses out on the fields.
You gotta come straight, like right at me. Straight.
Original cost of this car, just over $1,000. Oh, imagine what that'd do to your rims. Look at the condition of this car. I don't think he minds a couple of scratches here or there. He's loving it. Nice job.